Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off YouTube Shorts remixing permissions. So if you do not want to allow other people to use your YouTube videos in their shorts, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon at the top right, go ahead and left click on that, and then select YouTube Studio. Now on the left side, you want to select the Content tab, and you want to check mark where it says Video up here at the top. Go ahead and select where it says Select All, and select the Edit button, and then select Shorts Remixing. And now at this point, you can click on the drop down and select Don't Allow Remixing, and then select Update Videos. Check mark I understand the implications of this action, and then select Update Videos. Please keep in mind at the time of this recording and for quite some time now, YouTube has not provided a way to set this as an upload default, which is kind of annoying. You actually have to do this every time you upload videos, but just want to put it out there. And like that, that's pretty much all you have to do. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.